To complete driver reports in VDO Fleet, first go to the Reports section on the blue bar. If you have multiple sites or depots, you can select which depot you want to run the report for. Choose which driver or drivers you'd like to do the report for, or you can select all drivers. If you click the heart button on any report, it will mark it as one of your favorite reports and pull it to the top of the list. You can also click the information button for an example report and description. To run a report, make sure your drivers are selected which you want on the report. Pick which report you want to run, select a date range on the calendar. Select whether you want the report as a PDF or CSV document. Click Generate and wait a couple of seconds for the report to be downloaded. If you would rather your reports are emailed to you, you need to set up a schedule. Rather than generate, click Schedule. Choose the first date you want the report to be emailed to you. Choose how many times you'd like the report to be emailed to you. The largest frequency is 50 times. Choose whether you would like this to be emailed daily, weekly or monthly. Make sure you match up your data range box to the frequency, so weekly to weekly, monthly to monthly. You can copy other colleagues or people into the email also with the BCC box, and also password protect it if you require. Click Schedule. All of your schedules will show in the Scheduled Reports tab.